In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a large text box to Paperform. If you're looking to gather more detailed responses from your form users, adding a large text box is a great way to provide that space. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, ensure you're in the form editor in Paperform. Now, on a blank line within the editor, you're going to use a very handy feature, the slash command. Click your mouse on the blank line to position your cursor, then type a forward slash and the word long, just like this, /long. Once you've typed that, a drop-down menu will promptly appear. This offers you various options, but the one we're interested in is text long. Go ahead and select that. With just these simple moves, you've successfully added a large text field to your form. Now that you've got the text box, it's time to make it meaningful by adding your question. This usually involves thinking through what information you need from your form respondents and how to phrase that in a question. Once you've got that nailed down, enter your question title in the designated area. You can also include a descriptive text, which will appear just above the text box. This is your chance to guide your users or provide any specific instructions they might need to understand what exactly you're looking for within their response. Once your question is set, the next thing you might want to consider is adjusting the field settings. This part is optional, but it can significantly enhance how the form works. By clicking on the newly created text field, a settings panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is your toolbox for customizing how the text box behaves and interacts with other fields on your form. Within these settings, you can adjust a myriad of options. For instance, if you require the text box to show up only under certain conditions, you can set up conditional logic rules. This means the text box will appear based on previous responses the user has given, creating a seamless and personalized form experience. You can also tweak validation settings, set field visibility options, or even include help text to ensure your form is as user-friendly as possible. And there you have it. You added a large text box to your paper form, complete with a question and any conditional logic you wish to apply. By following these steps, you're not just adding a field, you're providing your users with the clarity and space needed to share their stories, thoughts, or feedback, whatever your form is set to collect. This approach truly enriches the data you gather and the experience of those filling it out. Thanks for following along, and now it's your turn to implement this on your form.